Hello, my name is Herbert Chock. I work for Maya Education as a consultant. My perceptions about and my opinions about this workshop with Mauricio Ortega, I think the live ABC is very good. The system is excellent. It is fast. It's good for teachers. Very easy material to use. You don't have, as a teacher, you don't have to go and look for resources. It's outstanding. The workshop was outstanding. It was perfect, excellent. I like it very much. I hope if you have a chance to take these workshops, which Maya Education is preparing for you. So you're welcome and enjoy.